In today's video, I'm going to be going over everything you need to know to set up your Amazon Seller Central account the right way. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon, and the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first, you're just going to go to Google and you're going to type in create Amazon seller account, and it's usually going to be the first one that sells up. Should be sponsored, boom. And you can also go to sell.amazon.com and sign up. So let's get signed up together. Now you can create your own Amazon seller account, or if you already have one, you can use it right here. But I recommend to create a new one with a brand new email because you don't want it to be connected to your buyer account. Now it's showing you, okay, here are the things. Answer a few quick questions, provide details and documents, and get verified and start selling. It's that darn easy. So let's click get started and let's see what we need to do. Now it's going to say, where is your business registered? If you don't have a business, enter your country of residence. When you first start selling on Amazon, even if you have a business, I recommend to register as an individual because it's much easier. Once you get approved, then you can switch it and change to a business. Because if you have a business, Amazon asks additional questions. Who else is in the business? Where are they? I want to see their ID. So just enroll as an individual first, and then you can switch it over to a business account. That's my recommendation, and that's what I'm doing in today's video. So where the heck am I from? I am from the United States. What if my country is not listed? Check back in a future date. Do I need to provide my business type? What store? All this fun stuff. What type of business do you have? And boom, you're gonna do individual. It's gonna make it so much easier. And I'm just gonna do John Smith. John Smith. And now it's going to ask for a valid government ID or passport, bank statement or credit card statement, chargeable credit card, and a mobile phone. So you're gonna need those 4 things. Agree and continue. I just got an error on my screen, and all I did, if you do receive an error at this part, just click refresh. And then once you're here, you're gonna fill out this fun information because they wanna know more about you. So you're gonna put John Smith. I don't even have a middle name, so we're just gonna do John Smith. Country of citizenship, right? Country of birth, United States as well. And then you're gonna put your date of birth. I'm just gonna randomly do it here. And then we're gonna do passport or driver's license. I recommend passport if you have one, and I'll explain why later. And then country of issue, so let's just do United States. You're gonna put your passport number and date of expiry. Awesome, so now we just put in some random stuff in there, but let's just see how this goes. And then we're gonna put some residential info. So you're gonna put your actual address. Now this is where the important part comes in. So use your passport, right? And your name on your passport. Mine, let's just say it's John Smith. They're going to ask again for a bank statement or a credit card statement. The name and address on the bank statement and the credit card statement must match the same name on your passport. So everything must match. The address that you put here must match the address on your credit card statement. If it's any different, you will not be approved to sell on Amazon. Everything must match. You can always call your bank, you can always call your credit card company and get it updated. So yeah, or if you were submitting a utility bill, if Amazon asks for a utility bill, everything must match, right? So that's why I'm saying your passport, because it doesn't show your address, so it's kind of easier to do than your driver's license. But you can do driver's license if you want, and then you can have them doing a little this, a little that. You can just refresh it if you don't know the code. And then you click the next button, and it worked. Even with all my incorrect information, Amazon still thinks I'm good to go. So we're gonna keep going. You need a valid bank account number. Your bank should be in the name of the primary contact or business name. And then you need to verify your account. And then you need a valid credit card or debit card number, and you click continue. And let's see, verify bank account. Oh, you're gonna put in some random, what bank do we wanna be? We're gonna be Bank of America. And now we're gonna put in some information here. Bada boom, bada bing, just like that. The bank account's pending because it's completely wrong. But make sure it's right before you continue. Now they're gonna want that monthly subscription fee. So you need a credit card. Now, It has to be a credit card. If it's a debit card, you might not get approved. It needs to be a credit card. If you don't know if it's a credit card, call the back and say, hey, is this a credit card or is it a debit card? And make sure it's a credit card. Unsecured or secured should still work. Just make sure it's a credit card. And boom, once you get past that part, now we're in the store and product information. Once again, make sure your credit card name matches your passport that you submitted, and then when you submit the bank account statement, make sure everything matches. Make sure everything matches, okay? If it doesn't, then you're gonna be screwed. Okay, so you make a store name, Happy Salesman 222, that's me, and it's available. And do you have a universal product code? Yeah, just these don't matter that much. Yeah, no. Do you own a brand? Some of them. Yes. Some of them. Let's do that and see how that works. And then identity and address verification. And now they're going through and they're like, okay, this is the last part. This is the final thing. Let's go through and let's upload our special passport. And it has specifications on what and how to do it. And then we got that. We've got a special bank account statement. We click next. We're going to see how this goes. Now you just wait. So now it says, thank you for sharing. We received your information and may reach out to you for further clarification in 2 business days. And you can see the primary contact person, the info, and then after 2 business days, then they're going to call you, or if everything's already verified, you may skip this step and you may have to set up a virtual call. Once you set up a virtual call, then your Amazon Seller Central should be approved if everything looks good and you are who you say you are and you don't mess up, and then you'll be good to go to sell on Amazon. The last thing that might happen is they may try to say, hey, we want to verify your address, and they might send you a postcard in the mail. A postcard is going to have a special code to the address that you submitted into Amazon. If it's this address, and they're gonna send you it, and then once you receive it, you type it into Amazon, and then you're fully activated. And that's it. This is the pro steps and you should be good to go. After you're done this, you can always log into Amazon after a couple weeks and then start changing your information into your business name. You can just contact Amazon and say, hey Amazon, I just opened up a business, or I want to change it into my business name now. How do I do that? And they can help you change it into your business information in a few steps. And it's a lot easier to change it once you're already approved on Amazon. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like below. And if you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with creating an Amazon account or anything Amazon, just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in, especially our #1 service where we'll manage your account. We'll help you find listings, create a product, and also create a phase strategy to make sure you dominate sales and succeed on Amazon. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.